Have you ever felt the sting of seeing your hard work stolen and posted online without your permission? It's a gut-wrenching experience that many creators face. Copyright infringement is a widespread issue affecting artists, writers, photographers, and musicians. But there are ways to fight back and protect your rights. First, let's understand what copyright infringement is. It's when someone reproduces or distributes your work without your consent, whether by selling, posting, or sharing it. To find out if your content has been used without permission, start by searching key phrases from your work on Google, Bing, or Yahoo. Note any unauthorized use. If you find your work on another site, contact the site owner and request removal. If they don't respond, you can escalate the issue with a DMCA takedown notice. When contacting the infringer, be polite but firm. Provide proof of your copyright and request the removal of the infringing content. This often resolves the issue. If direct contact fails, filing a DMCA takedown notice with the infringer's ISP can be effective. Most ISPs have policies to handle such notices promptly. Legal action is a last resort but sometimes necessary. Sending a cease and desist letter or filing a lawsuit can compel the infringer to remove your work. There are alternatives to legal action, such as contacting the hosting provider or using online resources like the Copyright Office's guide or chilling effects. Remember, persistence is key. With the right steps and resources, you can regain control of your content and continue creating without fear of infringement.